airport. We're leaving Bangkok once again. We're heading to Phuket.
Start of the walk. Please watch your step.
We're just waiting for the luggage now. The flight was a little bit over an hour.
Guys, here you can see, I don't know. Te bați?
Eu? Păi după 2 sunt mort.
Mă ales acum.
As we were walking through the park, we heard some music coming from a corner, so we decided to go and investigate. To our surprise, it was full of people dancing, so we decided to join them. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little embarrassed at the beginning because I didn't know the moves, and with my poor eyesight, I could barely see the lady on stage. But after a minute or two, it went away, and I started having fun. The people were very supportive, and thankfully they weren't bothered by the camera, as there were many other people recording there.
Hello! Hello! How are you? Hello! Do you have YouTube channel? Just TikTok. Okay, nice. What's your name on TikTok? Show us so we can follow it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. It's a good start. We can find another. We need to gain subscribers.
We're on a mission today, apparently.
She was a bit shy, I think, when we went straight away with the camera in her face, but it's fine. We're gonna find someone else.
If you guys wonder why the Thai people look like 20 when they are 50 or 60, well, this is why. Man, Thai people are on another level. It's Wednesday, not even weekend. Have you seen how many people are in this park running, doing push-ups, and all kinds of things, jogging? Me? I don't even run for the bus. I prefer to be late wherever I'm going. I had to change my lifestyle, man. They are an example for me. I should follow it, and probably you too. So we found this beautiful lake inside the park, and they have those boats and kayaks. You can take them for 20 minutes. Do you know how much is it? Do you wanna try again? Free. It's free. You can just take 20 minutes, paddle on the river, come back. Everything is for you.
We decided to make a bus stop in the beer station. We're planning for having one beer, but as you guys know, there is never one beer. So how it's gonna end up? Only Taj Mahal next. Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ. Thank you.
ย่าคุณเหมือนเคยไปส่งพัทยาปะเนี่ย
ไม่เคย
Oh, to the trade up, huh?
ใช่ไหม
ใช่
เออ
3 คนแล้วหนูไม่ไปกับเขาอะ
เออใช่จำได้แล้ว เดี๋ยวพี่ก็มาให้รถไปรับเข้ามาก็มี2 คนอีกคน
อะไรนะคะ
2 คนเนี่ยเหรอ
Good morning. It's 5 a.m. over here. We're at Don Meng Airport. We're leaving Bangkok once again. We're heading to Phuket. Our flight is very early, 7:45. We arrived extremely early. It took us 20 minutes. The highway is completely empty. I'm really tired. I just want to sleep. And I have to wait more than 2 hours now. I've never been to Phuket. I'm very excited. I really want to see how it is. So let's check it out together.
SL 670 SL 670พอที่จะเดินทางไปยังนครพนมขอเรียนเชิญผู้โดยสารที่มีบัตรที่นั่งและเข้าคอร์สซีและไลฟ์ซีจากนั้นตามด้วยผู้โดยสารสูงอายุผู้โดยสารที่เดินทางพร้อมเด็กอยู่
Never flew with them. Never heard of them either, to be honest with you, but I'm excited. Looks like it's a small airplane. 1 hour and a half flight. Nothing bad. After 20 hours from London to Bangkok, this is like nothing. And most likely I will sleep because I'm very tired. Ladies and gentlemen, hello from Phuket, where the local time it's 9 a.m. and the weather is super effing hot. We're just waiting for the luggage now. The flight was a little bit over an hour. I didn't even realize it when it passed. Super fast. Unfortunately, the check-in is at 3 o'clock, so a lot of time of doing nothing, just carrying the luggage around. I got seats next to the fire exit, so I was sitting like a king. Extra points for that. Let's see how I'm gonna leave the airport. There are a couple of options. I saw buses, I saw minivans, taxis. I will have a look outside for them.
There were actually dozens of people offering taxi services in the airport and outside around it, but I found their prices to be quite high, so we just decided to use a Bolt. At this point, I wasn't tired anymore and I was just enjoying the scenery towards the accommodation. Very beautiful. It looked like a mini jungle. I absolutely loved it.
Which lobby?
Good morning.
Good morning go to แล้วพี่
Go to lobby.
like in my
Go, go.
This one, you? Long shot.
yeah.
2 person?
So today, everybody, we go to Phi Phi Island. Everybody know we go to Phi Phi Island. But everyone, Phi Phi Island is not one island. There are two Phi Phi Islands that we will go today. So the two Phi Phi Islands you can see on the map.
After explaining us the itinerary and the safety measures, we headed towards the boat. Our tour was full, which was nice, I guess, because we got to interact with quite a few people. And the best part is that we managed to secure some spots in front of the boat.
Thank you.
Lequel?
It was really nice. Now, it was quite bumpy at the beginning, but after a while you get used to it, and once you relax, it's much better. Now, one thing to keep in mind: you're gonna get burned, or at least that's what happened to me. You don't feel it because of the breeze of the current, but man, you need to use sunscreen or cover yourself with a towel or something. It was pretty bad. You're gonna see it later on.
And for you too? For you from here it should be easier.
For her is nothing. For her is winter now.
No, what? Get your face.
Așa ar trebui să arate diminețile ca să nu mai enervezi. Vorba aia.
Guys, just look how beautiful it is. I've never seen something like this.
I should jump. Should I jump? Should I jump? Păi, păcat mai fac magari.
Little monkey in the water. Say hi, Mama.
Hello. สวัสดีภูเก็ต
Phuket nice? You like it?
Yes.
Much?
Too much.
Too much.
To swimming นะ
Come to swimming na.
I'm here to Phuket นะ Hello รอจัง Hello
Hello. Hi. We are at Maya Bay now. We had to walk for like 5 minutes or so to get here. I cannot begin to tell you how hot it is. Even my thoughts melted at this point. I'm exhausted. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Just remember, you cannot enter inside the water. Now we reach another island, not too far away from Phuket, like 15-20 minutes. I can't remember the name, I will look it up later on. Pretty chill. They say we have 1 hour to enjoy the beach, swim, do some activities. It's not hot anymore. Weather is perfect. Bit of sunset coming. The sand on this beach feels like clouds. So nice. Phuket, pretty nice. You know, I was sitting on the beach and I was thinking, looking at the sunset, how beautiful life can be. We stress ourselves with all kind of nonsense. Man, we need to learn to enjoy life now. You wanna go on a trip? Go on a trip. You wanna buy that 100-pound t-shirt? If it makes you happy, man, buy it. You only live once. Do what makes you happy. That's what I'm doing now. And I'm the happiest I've ever been.